Silver-filled epoxies have been relied upon for years to securely join substrates and provide electrical and thermal pathways in a variety of applications. Electrically conductive, with very low resistivity, epoxy adhesives are ideal for field repairs, restoring damaged conductive traces, and for use on heat-sensitive substrates. These epoxies can be cured at room temperature to form a high-strength, stress-free bond. The very high thermal conductivity of this material also makes a reliable bond for heat sinks. Epoxies can be formulated to join dissimilar substrates and can be applied to surfaces such as glass, where soldering is impractical. By carefully blending silver particles with epoxy resin, a matrix is formed. When this cures, the particles are locked in place and current is able to pass through the silver particles due to point-to-point contact. Silver-filled epoxies are available in kit form and in easy-to-use hinge packs for individual use. For the easiest, most consistent, and reliable dispensing, users can opt to purchase their conductive adhesives in freeze-bond syringes. Epoxies Etc. silver-filled products offer superior electrical and thermal conductivity along with long-term stability.
Our products are used throughout the world in some very demanding applications: military defense, aerospace, optoelectronics, telecommunications, and we start by working with world-class suppliers. We QC their raw materials when they arrive, and we follow rigorous operating procedures when you manufacture our products.
These Epoxies Etc. silver-filled products are proven performers in the most demanding applications. To get started with Epoxy Etc. silver-filled epoxies, request an evaluation kit from our sales staff or visit our website, epoxies.com.